Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So do not let the little bag fool you. It is definitely heavy with a few Zara items and I really cannot wait to show you all the amazing things that I got from Zara today. I definitely did spend a little bit too much, but everything was just so beautiful and I wanted to buy even more stuff. Maybe next week. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Zara were these beautiful snake printed jeans. I've been seeing them all over Instagram and I just had to grab a pair for myself. So I am usually a size 8 UK sizing, so I got these in a €38. They are £30 and the material seems really good, doesn't seem too cheap, and it's quite nice and stretchy as well, which I like. But the print of it is absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love it. It's just so different and out there, and I definitely think you can mix up what you wear with this outfit, wear some dark colors, some bright colors. It's just a really nice bold item that you can just do so much with it. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys these. These jeans are definitely out there, but they are really nice. I love the print on them. I think they're so nice and so different, and they're so comfy as well, I have to say that. For £30, yeah, pretty good. I like it with the top as well. I think it kind of goes quite well. This is kind of like a brownie color, the snake print, so you could definitely be going out like this. But yeah, I like them. And I definitely think these are going to be a nice little keeper. So I will show you the back. Now, considering that we are going into autumn time and it's getting a bit colder, we have to now dress a bit more appropriately. So I also got this sweater. I got this beautiful kind of nudie brown colour. I wanted something a bit different in my wardrobe because I usually go for black or white. But I love this colour. It's definitely the colour of autumn. And I love the turtleneck. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I actually love the turtleneck effect. I think it's just so sophisticated. I do also love the little gold detail on the ends of the sleeves as well, and the fabric is just really nice and soft, and it's really nice and light. I also saw this suit in Zara. It was like this light brown suit that I want to get next time, and I think this would look so good with this on as well. And let's look about pricing. So it cost £20 and I got it in a size small. You know what, I will have to say the quality feels good and it feels like something that's going to last in my closet for a long time. So paying £20 wasn't too bad, I think, because it is going to have longevity, I think, in my closet. So next up was some shorts. Which is a bit strange because now we are in autumn. I'll be thinking of getting trousers and jeans, but these just were so cute. I just love the print of it. I just thought they looked really nice, and I love, look at that buckle effect. Come on, that is just so amazing. I just had to have them. I'll just wear them with tights, it'll be perfectly fine. Or just you know, just shrivel up and I'll just struggle in the cold. Couldn't just look good. But yeah, I got these in a size small. I was looking for an extra small because I have a small waist, but I do have a I have like a size 6/8 waist, but my hips are about size 10. I think we'll try on and see how it works, but I'm thinking that might be a bit too loose on the waist, but I just love it. It's so cute. So this is £25.99. It looks really good. The fabric is nice and sturdy. We like that about it. And yeah, I'm just liking the print. I'm loving the pattern of it. Definitely has that autumn vibe. Definitely has those kind of dark, natural, earthy colours going with it. And yeah, it's just gonna go into my closet and live a very beautiful life. This is such a cute little look, but unfortunately the shorts are too big for me. These were size small, and yeah, as I guessed, I have a quite small waist, about 6/8. They're a little bit too loose for my liking, so I have to go down to an extra small. but this is such a cute little look. I love the top, perfect. Love the turtleneck, love the feel of it. It's so nice and comfy, and I love the little gold detail as well. But if I just go down, I think this would be stunning. Look at that little barcode detail. Could you like wrap them up? I guess so. It doesn't really work. They don't really want to be wrapped up. I don't think so. No, I think you just have to leave them as they are. But it's cute. It's cute like this. Wear them with, I don't know, boots. Or maybe some like, I actually don't know what shoes you'd wear these with. Yeah, some like nudie boots. Like really dark brown boots. And then here is the back. But the top is a straight yes. It is going straight into my drawer of tops, and it's going to be worn very, very soon. Ooh my. So next up was some leather, a leather dress. Because you just can't have, you can never have too many dresses, and leather is just, it is so beautiful in the wardrobe. You need leather in the wardrobe for sure. So this leather dress has this nice long gold zip at the back, easy access, thank you very much. And then it has this big old belt, and then this gold buckle on it. I like the dress. It's a nice material. It's not heavy. It's definitely not real leather. It is a faux leather, but it's a good quality leather. I got this in a size small, and it was £20.99. But again, this is nice. It's a really simple dress, but I like how it has it's a really simple dress, but I like the belt. It just kind of makes it stand out a bit more, and I think I will definitely go for straight hair and maybe like red lips and red shoes, you know, just to add a little pop of colour. Or maybe pink, you know, make it a bit different. Or gold, you know, see, you got so many ideas just to give it a bit of a pop of colour. Wow, wow. Okay, now this is nice, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is so sexy, very like Dominic's, like, yes. Yeah, this is a lot of power in this dress, but it's just so beautiful. And I wore my little Zara red hat, which I need to be wearing out a bit more, but wow, I'm loving this. I love the buckle. I love the belt on it. It's really, really nice. I love the fit. I love the whole design of it. It's actually absolutely stunning, the dress. Really comfy. It doesn't feel tight at all. It just feels nice and comfortable. Just a perfect true size. And I will show you the back. Yeah, just a really beautiful piece. Another leather piece, and they were leather leggings. I used to have leather trousers, but I broke the zip. They were from Primark. I think I got a size 8, and I should have gone up to a size 10. But anyway, I learnt my lesson, and I had to chuck them away. And so this time I got size small leggings. They were $19.99. I like the print of, not the print, I like the style of them. I like the stitching effect in the front with this long stitching effect. Yeah, they look really nice. They feel a bit stretchy. Again, it's not real leather. I don't know if they're going to be warm for autumn time, but you know, we'll wear them and we'll have fun with them. And it says it's a mid-rise. I really don't know what that is. I don't really care whether something is a low-rise, a mid-rise, or high-waisted. I just wear it if it looks nice, and I really don't know the difference. Okay, so the leather leggings are an absolute yes. They are such a classic piece. I think they're going to work so well with in my closet with so many different outfits. They're just so nice and fashionable and very on trend. I really, really like them. They're really comfy as well, and I think they're quite nice and tight on me. I'll show you the back. So it does have a little zip here on the side, and then it's got this little cut. I if you can see, I bought this little stool to help me out. So it's got this little cut at the end of it. They're a little bit on the long side. It does what's the word, ruffle up by the knees for myself, but I am 5'3", someone who's a little taller than me, they'll work perfectly. Maybe like 5'5", 5'6", they'll just look perfect on you. But it's not too much of a concern, they still look good on me. And yes, as I said, I will put a link in the description bar for this beautiful jumper. So next up, to kind of match and wear with those beautiful snake pink print jeans, and also just some different outfits just to kind of dress them up a little bit, I got this beautiful flowy lacy top. It is in this beautiful jet black color. I love the lace detail in the front of it. I think it's just brings the top out a bit more, makes it a bit more sexy. And then I just love how the top flows. It's just very nice and loose, and it's got this lovely chiffon material, and it's kind of, it looks a little see-through, I have to say now looking at it, but I think it'll be okay. A nice black bar and we will be okay. I got this in an extra small because I wanted it to kind of fit my body and hug my body a bit tighter, and this was £19.99, so it is a little bit more expensive. Maybe in Primark you might get something for like £10–15, but the difference is in Primark that these straps will probably break within like a week or so. Anyways, when you do shop with Zara, you're generally getting better quality, and sometimes you just have to pay that little extra for something that's going to last you that little extra more time. So here is that peplum top on, and I think it's really cute. I think it's really perfect for like a really nice date night or going out with the girls. I have to say though, for an extra small, it is quite loose. Maybe it is just the effect of the top, but for someone who's a lot smaller than me, who should be wearing an extra small, this would be really big on them. But I have to say, it looks really nice on, and I love it. And I love that it moves like that. So next up, I had to get a basic, and this is just this little white tee. I just like the pocket effect. I thought it was really cute and nice, and just thought, why not? It's a nice little white tee, and it was £5.99. I couldn't say no to that. It's good quality white tee. Can wear it with so many things. £5.99. Had to have it. So here is that tee on, and I was putting it on and unfortunately got makeup stains on it. So irritating. But yeah, really nice and simple. I would literally wear it like this with these trousers and then some boots, maybe another jacket as well. Really nice casual tee that is just perfect in my little wardrobe. The back is really simple. Nothing much to show you guys, but I like it. Okay guys, so that was my Zara haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more videos, even though I say that all the time, and then like I take a month break just because I'm busy doing so many other things and I can't be asked to do shopping every single day. But I will be doing more videos. One day I'm literally going to be doing videos every single day, every other day. But yeah, anyways, I'm just rambling on. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will leave all the details at the bottom of this video. Have a nice day. Bye.